Hello guys! Welcome to our video!
Today we will describe the function of the button on the remote air conditioner. First of all, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Valentina Veronica Puba.
My name is Mega Adriani Biri.
My name is Saskia.
My name is Devi Indriani.
Let's start it.
First, power button. This button is used to turn on and turn off the air conditioner. With this button on the air conditioner remote, you don't need to press the power button on the air conditioner body.
Second, temperature button. This button is used to increase and decrease the temperature. Third, timer button. This button is used to set how long the air conditioner on and to set the air conditioner automatically turn off according the time that we set.
Fourth, mode buttons. Mode buttons are usually divided into three, namely cool, dry, and fan mode. Cool mode is used to regulate the temperature to be cooler, while dry mode is used to reduce humidity so that the resulting temperature is not too cold. Fan mode is used to turn on an indoor fan without an outdoor fan and produce air that is no cooler than cool mode.
Fifth, display. The function of display is to show the settings of air conditioner such as the temperature, timer, fan speed, and air swing.
Okay guys, that's all from us. We are sorry if there are something wrong in this video.
Thank you for watching!
Don't forget to like,
Comment,
And subscribe.
bye! Bye-bye!
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. So I'll go. I will go. So I'll go. I will go. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me.